Hello friends, happy Diwali to all of you in advance. So all set to make a lot of goodies for Diwali. Do let me know in the comments what all you have made. I'm going to make Varo, which is Pista Badam Chikki. We call it Varo in Sindhi. It's a brittle made with almonds and pistachios. It's flavored with cardamoms and saffron. It's really delicious. So let's proceed to make Varo. Before we do that, friends, do subscribe to my channel if you have not done so, and also don't forget to click the bell icon to get all the notifications whenever I post a video. Let's go and make. These are the ingredients for making Varo. Half cup pistachios unsalted, sliced. Half cup almonds, sliced. 1 cup sugar. I've taken little less than 1 cup because Mumbai sugar is very sweet. A pinch of saffron. 8 to 10 cardamoms peeled and the seeds are crushed coarsely. 2 teaspoons of poppy seeds. 1 teaspoon of flour, whole wheat flour. 1 teaspoon of ghee. Now before we proceed to make the Varo, let us fry the flour with the ghee. This is the tip I learned from my mom. By adding flour to the Varo, it makes it brittle. It's not too hard to chew. So we are going to fry this flour in the ghee until it gives out a nice aroma. Cool it and then add it to the Varo while making. Stir it continuously on low flame. Don't make it dark brown, just let the rawness go, and when you get a nice aroma, you can remove from the gas. Now we are going to set this aside. Let's proceed to clean the platform and grease it, because later we have to work very fast on the brittle and we will not have time. Grease the rolling pin. Apply ghee generously. And on the working platform also, spread some ghee with the hand. So it makes it easier to roll the chikki, Varo. Now let's proceed to make it. In a thick bottomed pan, add about 1 teaspoon of ghee. Ghee is clarified butter. Let it melt. Now add the sugar. Maintain low flame throughout. Continue stirring the sugar. You can increase a little bit in between, but make sure that immediately you reduce it to low, because we are going to only melt the sugar. If you do it on high flame, it will be caramelized and get dark brown in color. You need a lot of patience. You have to keep stirring continuously. It's beginning to melt. If you stop stirring, there will be lump formation. This process takes about 7 to 8 minutes. Now you can see the sugar is slowly changing the color. It will start melting now. At this stage, I'm going to add a pinch of saffron. The flavors and colors will come out of it in this frying process. Keep stirring. After about 5 minutes of stirring, you will see it comes to this stage. Now I am adding the crushed cardamom seeds. Stir it with a spatula continuously. Start breaking the lumps with it. Now it's almost getting done. Sugar is completely melted now, and I don't think there are any more lumps in it. Yes, I think now it is ready. We can add the dry fruits now. Add the poppy seeds first. Give it a stir. Add the almonds, pistachios. Now we have to work with a quick hand. If you are not fast enough, the sugar syrup will become solid. Before it gets solid, we have to roll it. Finally, stir in the flour that we have fried and kept. Mix everything well together quickly. Remove the contents on the greased platform. Flatten it and start rolling. It's a bit difficult, but you can do it slowly and carefully. Start rolling. Make it as thinner as possible. It's not very difficult as you might think. Couple of times when you make, you get used to it. So now it is rolled and ready. Now while it is still hot, we will mark the divisions so that later it's easy for us to break. You can cut in any shape, make it quarter or make into small pieces. I usually prefer cutting it into 4 quarters. Now we will allow it to cool for a little while. Delicious Varo, crispy crunchy Varo is ready. Almond Pistachio Brittle. This is what we usually make for Diwali in Sindhi homes. Now it is nice and hard. You can easily break it once it is cooled. Cut it into desired size pieces Allow it to cool properly before you store it in a box. Pista Badam Chikki is ready. Varo, what we call Varo in Sindhi.